handheld, but it features the digital display. It's the first time that I've seen that, but also uses your stick for welding. So that's going to be cool to check out. Let's open both of these up, go through their features, and see if they can weld. Now this unit, the JZU handheld all-in-one portable unit, comes with a case, and I left everything in the case because I wanted to show you how they packaged this. So you are going to get your manual, but they included everything. I mean, everything is inside of this case. It's pretty neat. They even give you some little gloves if your hands will fit in there. These are extra tips, and I guess these are screws that are going to fasten down that stick. I'll give you an extra one as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Again, looking at the front, we have a fitting in here, which is the exact same as the fitting that is on your grounding clamp. So this piece here, we're going to insert our welding rod. Right now I have 7018 welding rods, so we're going to insert it in here, fasten it down with this piece and the threaded side here. That locks it all down, and then that's going to go ahead and insert, twist, and lock in, same as the grounding clamp down here at the base. With your welding rod installed, it should look something like this here. The grounding clamp is fastened to the base of the handle, like so. Stick in, turn, twist, lock. We have this plugged in. Let's take a look at the screen right quick. A lot of air going through there. Keep the machine cool, nice and cool. On both sides you have vents. This feels really good. This is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I'm really hoping this works well. This is a 250 amp handheld stick welder. Again, it's nice to have the screen on the side, which is going to show you what you want it set at, not just a high or a low dial down here, but an actual screen, digital screen. And as you're welding, I'm sure it will show real-time amperage. Okay, I wasn't sure what to expect from this kit here, the JZU MMA 250, and I am pleasantly surprised. This unit, it kicks butt. It's a lot of fun, man. It's so simple, a lot of power in a little handheld device. Nice carrying kit, your tips. I mean, this thing is awesome. If you know, if I had the need for something small, throw up on a shelf, I would not hesitate to buy this. I believe right now it's on Amazon for $120, and they're giving you a $20 coupon. So $100. Yeah, it's a no-brainer. I would definitely look into them. If you guys are looking for something small, portable, easy, the JZU MMA 250. Check them out.